Hello, folks. It's me again. I lost my mic. In fact, I don't even think I charged it. So, got no microphone. So this is like just me and the phone recording, which is I'm all fidgety today. Like I'm not always fidgety. Anyway, I'm gonna do the Monday weekly what's new. You should get this on a Monday. What's new? House coming along. Somebody's working on it. Not me, thankfully. I don't like carpentry. I don't know a lot about carpentry, so the house being worked on. I got a little fab job I'm doing here. Probably do it tomorrow because I don't really. I was gonna set up the welder time. But I'm like, Jesus, it's. I always get it at 10 o'clock, and I'm like, you know what? And it's warm out. I could do it. So, and then I was looking for the cardboard, do a template for a piece of metal, and I can't find the cardboard. So I got to get some more cardboard. Probably tomorrow. Get some scrap pieces out of my store. So that's getting done. Tomorrow I'm going to be welding some. What do you call it? Somebody used my ice chopper as a pry bar. It's just a round tube with a big metal teeth for going and banging. But you can't use it as a pry bar because it's a hollow tube. Pry bars are solid metal for a reason. So it snapped off, and well, why throw it away if I still have the two parts? They're still good, and just somebody broke it. So with that, I'll have a video of me welding a pry bar back together, clean up. Maybe I'll just repaint it too. Give it a little, I'll hot rod it a little. So that's coming soon. I still have some other videos of me doing stuff in here. I am still actively working on the sandblaster, and you'll see in another video that I'm making after this will upload sometime next week, or you'll have seen it prior to me. I don't know when you'll see the video anyway. So that's coming along. The garage moving, I don't know what's going on with that. I gave up on that for now, so I'm going to continue back to my regular scheduled stuff. I'm waiting for some more Honda parts. I've just been compiling Honda parts. This is the new nice painted frame. I'm probably going to take the other frame out, strip all the pieces off, clean it up, and make sure there's no strip bolts in it this time, and send that one out next. I'll send that out next month because I'll enter $85 to paint that one. And this one, I'm trying to get the sandblaster to work for now because I don't know. I might just I don't know. I got a few rear end pieces. I got a sandblast and I could put all back together. So see how that goes. With that said, the bike's coming along. Not much else really. There's, like I said, if you're new to my channel, I have a lot of little things I'm doing. Like I still want to still have a hand wheel project I'm doing for that. I got to put some other gadgets on my bench back together. There's a Wilton vise here. I really need to get off my butt and fix and finish. It's a really nice vise sitting here in pieces. All the pieces are here, but I will get to it. A few other things, and that's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot going on in my life. Still been buying tools, of course. I'm a tool channel. I like to talk about tools, so might as well. Bought a couple of tools. I picked up a few things, so you'll see tool time Tuesdays from now till the next million Tuesdays, and probably make little short tool videos under 5 minutes on Tuesdays. This way you can watch them and run. I'm not going to make a 45-minute Tool Tuesday videos. If you're my 1395th subscriber, thank you for subscribing. You're awesome. For the people who leave comments, thanks for leaving comments. Apparently helps the algorithm. I'm still making ridiculous shorts. I've cut down. I haven't had time to do a lot of stuff. In between kids getting sick and just work, it's pretty tough. The holidays are coming up, so by the time I upload this, it should be the Christmas holiday. I got a couple of weeks vacation. I should be able to get a few more things that I want done and make some actually decent videos of me doing something with tools. And I know Danny likes to joke. If you haven't met Danny, he's at DG Retro Customs. Go check him out. He's got a channel. And also, if I forget, everybody have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, whatever the hell you celebrate. I don't know. To me, I have no problem with saying Merry Christmas, even if I don't celebrate it. I have no problem with saying Happy Hanukkah, Happy whatever it is. Whatever your holiday is, just, courtesy, be nice to people. You don't have to, it's like saying hello. You don't have, you just got to say hello and be polite people. People this time of year are like, oh, you can't say that, whatever. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, just, be nice to people. And if people are triggered by something, well, it's not my problem to be worried about people's triggers. My problem is to worry about what I want to do in life, and I like tools. Everyone else can suck it. So with that said, this is my weekly What's New, and I think that's pretty much it. I think the other three-wheeler is buried in snow. My daughter wants to go out and do donuts with it, so I gotta go see if I can get that started. The motor is still on the ground there, and thanks to a fellow on I think it was Honda Big Red Nation on Facebook, somebody polished their engine up. Apparently, it was 15 hours of polishing, and I looked at it. I'm like, ooh, I like that. So I might. I picked up the same set of Dremel things that the dude showed me on Amazon, and I'm gonna put that on somehow. Put on this bench and sit there for 90 million hours and polish up that engine. And watch me find out it doesn't even work. So I'm gonna polish the engine. I'm gonna clean it, get it all nice and cleaned up, and I'm gonna do a little dance and hope it works, and try to put it back in the bike. If it doesn't work, I'm sending it to someone else to fix it, because I don't know shit about engines. I don't know nothing about engines other than it needs to be in a bike. I could probably put the whole thing in. I might have a problem. I might have a problem getting the bike restarted. You know, I'm not an engine guy. I'm not a really anything kind of guy. I just like doing stuff. I like learning. So, it's like homeschooling myself. Only sometimes I don't finish a few things, and you just homeschool yourself on tools. So anyway, if you like tools, if you like whatever, me gabbing away, if you like seeing old stuff and weird videos, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tally ho, click buttons, and I hope you're having a great time. Thanks for watching. Toodles.